Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Google Play Console account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and publish apps on the Google Play Store. Step 1. Visit play.google.com/console in your web browser and sign in with the Google account you want to use for app development and publishing. Step 2. If you haven't created a Google Play Console account yet, click on Create Account and choose whether you're registering as an individual developer or as an organization. Step 3. Read and accept the Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement and pay the one-time registration fee of $25. Step 4. Complete your account details, including your developer name, email address, and website URL if applicable. Step 5. Google requires identity verification for all Play Console developers. Click on Verify Your Identity when prompted, or navigate to account details in the settings. Step 6. Provide your personal information, including your legal name, date of birth, and current address. This information must match your government-issued ID. Step 7. Upload a clear photo or scan of your government-issued identification document, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Step 8. If registering as an organization, provide your business details, including legal business name, business address, and business registration number. Step 9. Upload required business documentation, such as articles of incorporation, business license, or tax registration certificate. Step 10. Google will review your verification documents. This process typically takes 2 to 7 business days. You'll receive an email notification once your identity is verified. Step 11. After verification is approved, complete your payment profile by providing bank account details for receiving app revenue payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.